What's going on, YouTube? So we're back again with another video today. Over here posted up taking some pictures, and me and Jay just got done fishing. We're gonna go over to Brian's house and we do a little bit more cleaning up on that motor. But yeah, I mean, we meaty with these tires. Look at this. We got a little bit of poke right here in the back. They're just 12 wides. Anywho, let's say what's up to the vlog. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna climb down off of this and head on over to Brian's house. See you there. Gotta get some groceries. I guess we're cooking on the grill, so. Trucks at HEB be popping. Shit. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Shit. These trucks be out here. This Titan's even trying to do something with some 35s. And they got these Dodges. That bitch right there. That's just icy. What are those 33s? Forces? Damn it, boy. Brian, the master chef. Damn. Damn, what are those? It says it on the pack.
I'm just kidding. Do you have smaller Ziplocs?
No. It's usually now. Master chef over here. Oh my god. That shit, I told y'all, is gonna be fire. Yeah, we're good now. Told y'all those burgers were gonna be fire.
A cookie? I give her a cookie, french fries, and chicken.
Drink. Alright, so y'all know what time it is. Brian, what are you getting today?
24 by 14.
What size tire?
35, 15 and a half, 24s.
Damn, so he's living up to that Instagram name, that wide RST.
How hard is it to mount these? Pretty. Is it? I'm sorry. I mean, that's what y'all do. You do it.
That shit on TNT. Look on face, feel I'm floating.
Zono got that vibe.
We take that vibe to the. Back down, back in. We smoke that dope back to back, got me floated. The only thing keep them going. Now I know the answer, do dreams come true? Staring at the world through my review. Tint the windows, both the sides, the front and back, yeah. Don't let them see us when we pass, yeah. Twist the car, light up the button, hit the gas, yeah. This life we living kinda fast, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this life we living kinda fast, yeah. This life we living kinda fast. Okay, it's that bottom boy survival, put that bottom on the map. Still ride around that bottom with a chopper in his lap. Say he back, okay then he back. 4 deep in a splat, all black, chop out with them scraps. Click. I will never understand this society. First they try to murder me, then they lie to me. Product of a die, don't know the pain that's inside of me. She laid right on side of me and lied to me. I think the crackers mad I'm legit, mad I'm getting rich. We took that brand new Beamer truck and wrapped that bitch in 5%. I could've bought it, but I rented it. Soon as we got it, bitch, we tinted it. Now we tryna get in some shit. We smoke that dope back to back, got me floated. The only thing keep them going. Now I know the answer, do dreams come true? Staring at the world through my review. Tint the windows, both the sides, the front and back, yeah. Don't let them see us when we pass, yeah. Twist the guard, light up the button, hit the gas, yeah. This life we living kinda fast, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this life we living kinda fast, yeah. This life we living kinda fast, yeah.